Okay, then see, today's our topic is notice writing, which you have already covered in 11th class also. And you know what is a notice. Notice is a brief piece of composition written in a simple, direct, and straightforward language to convey some necessary information to the concerned persons. कि बहुत सिंपल डायरेक्ट और स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड लैंग्वेज में जब आप अपना कोई मैसेज दूसरों तक पहुंचाना चाहते हो, दैट इज नोन एज नोटिस. Usually its purpose is to give exact information about certain events, functions and celebrations. कि आप कोई celebrations करना चाहते हो, कोई event organize करना चाहते हो, कोई function organize करना चाहते हो, कोई meeting organize करना चाहते हो, and about that when you want to give the exact information to other persons to whom you want to invite, or you want that they should attend that, they should participate in that event, and to give the information to them, we frame notices. It is also written by educational institutions and organizations to extend information, to give a warning, or to make an appeal for a specific purpose. In the educational institutions also, you see many notices are issued, as in the school, you get so many notices for informations, to warn for something, to make an appeal for something, for any event to be organized, for any activity to be organized. You get so many notices for these type of information. The language used in notices is simple and to the point. Most of the notices are pasted on the notice boards meant for the purpose. When you were coming physically to school, you see that many of the notices were given to you through the notice board. आपके classroom notice board पे या जो general notice board होता है उसके ऊपर informations जो हैं वो convey करने के लिए आपको notice लगा दिए जाते थे. And you were circulated that notice in the class also, so that you can read it thoroughly from the notice board. Notices are written and pasted on the notice boards in the big factories to give necessary information to the workers and other employees. ऐसे ही factories में या और institutions में जो भी notices हैं वो display कर दिए जाते हैं for the information of the workers and employees. A notice should convey bare facts in an intelligible manner. In educational institutions, a notice is used to give requisite information to the students. Students को, teachers को कोई भी required information होती है वो convey करने के लिए notices जो हैं वो दिए जाते हैं. So please note down what to include in a notice. When you are going to write a notice, what should be included? The name of the institution issuing the notice. जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो भी इंस्टीट्यूशन उस नोटिस को इशू कर रही है उसका नाम आपने ऊपर बोल्ड लेटर्स में लिखना है, हाईलाइट करते हुए. देन द वर्ड नोटिस मस्ट बी रिटन इन कैपिटल. Date of issuing the notice must be written on the left hand side, and again be careful for writing the date in the same way as we discussed yesterday for the letter writing. That means in the expanded form, not in the contracted form. Then suitable heading pertaining to the contents of the notice according to the topic, whatever is given to you, you will write the heading for that particular notice. Then details of the event, which should be including what, when, where. What means क्या event organize किया जा रहा है, when कब किया जा रहा है उसका date और time, where means venue किस place पर किया जा रहा है और उसकी duration कितनी होगी, कितने time के लिए वो event जो है organize किया जा रहा है. So you should get the answers of these three WH words according to your notice: what, when and where. Then other relevant information like registration procedure, fee, etc. If it is some admission notice, accordingly some procedure, how the registration is to be done, how the admission is to be sought out, and what fee is to be paid. These type of informations are also given in the notice sometimes if it relates to admission purpose. Then signature, name and designation of the person issuing the notice. Whosoever is issuing the notice, maybe it is if from the school side principal or the vice principal or the head boy or the head girl or any secretary or president of some club, Accordingly, whatever is mentioned in the topic, you must give the name, signatures, first signatures, then full name, and then designation of that particular person who is issuing the notice. These are the important points which must be included. That means name of the institution in capital, word notice, date of issuing in expanded form, title according to the topic, then details of the event, what, when, and where means date, venue, time, and duration. Then other relevant informations like registration or fee, etc., if it relates to admission notice. Then signatures, name, and designation of the person issuing the notice. Then coming to the next thing, that is how to write a notice. Include the essential value points. Please keep it in mind. If you are given a topic and in that topic some particular points are given, value points here means whatever the detailed information is given to you in the topic. Suppose you are given your name, you are given the name of the institution, you are given the topic for what notice is to be given, and who is issuing the notice. All these points should be kept in mind while writing the notice. Give the relevant information according to the topic. Whatever information is required, that must be clear. Be clear and straightforward. कोई ambiguous और vague language use नहीं करनी है कि जो clear ना हो. Simple short sentences use करने हैं so that the information should be clear and straightforward. Proper date, time, venue, everything must be mentioned. Try to prepare a rough draft first. कि पहले आप कोशिश करिए कि rough draft एक बनाइए. If the time permits you, then correct the grammatical mistakes and prepare the final draft. So be particular for the grammatical mistakes and then write the prepare for the final draft also, because grammatical mistakes or the spelling mistakes will affect your marks. Marks will be deducted if there are grammatical mistakes or any spelling mistake is there. Then again, some important points given. Remember to do the following. Body of the notice must be written in about 50 words. Be particular, because according to your examination point of view, you are given the word limit of 50 words only. So you must write accordingly. Don't exceed the word limit, or don't write only one line and two line and finish the matter. It should be near about 50 words, 2 or 3 words, 4, 5 words, less or more will cause no damage. But if you increase the number 50 to 100, that will be very difficult for the examiner to read it and check. That will make the examiner irritated. So the marks can be deducted for writing excess. So it should be near about 50 words, 50 to 60. Then notice must be placed in a box. Please underline, which many students forget. Whenever you are writing the notice, it must be placed in a box. उसको आपने outline box बनाकर उसको cover करना है. And please be particular. Sometimes what happens, when you write a notice, you start writing on one page, you write the heading, notice word, then name of the organization, then notice word, then heading and date. You write this much part and your page is over. You shift to the next page. Please be particular. If you feel that you are not able to finish your notice on that very particular page, don't start from there. Start from the next page, because the whole part of the notice should be covered on one page only. Only then you can place it in the box. Don't write half part on one page and the rest of the half part on the second page. Try to complete it in one page only. If you feel that you are not able to complete in the space that is left on the previous page, you can leave that page blank and start from the next page, writing the question number. There's no problem leaving the space, put a line there and go to the next page. But it should be written on a single page. Don't divide into half on 2 pages. Then third point, language of the notice depends on the targeted reader and the kind of event or occasion. कि आपकी language जो है, it should depend upon the targeted reader. आपके notice को पढ़ने वाले reader कौन से हैं?
When was the first postage stamp released in India?
काइंड ऑफ इवेंट एंड ओकेजन जो है वो कैसा है, कैसे आपके रीडर्स होंगे. इन दैट वे यू मस्ट write the language accordingly so that it should be clear to the readers. Remember to underline the date, time and venue. Please note down that whenever you are writing your notice, you must underline the date, when the event is, when the function is, or whenever some particular competition is about which you are writing, what is the time एंड व्हाट इज द वेन्यू, कहाँ पर वो ऑर्गेनाइज किया जा रहा है, स्कूल के हॉल में है, स्कूल के ऑडिटोरियम में है, कहीं आउटसाइड है. So that venue must be explained. Date, time and venue must be explained and it should be underlined to highlight. Then date of issuing the notice may be placed on the left side of the word notice. It can come equal to the word notice. Left hand side पे जब आप center में notice word लिख रहे हो तो उसके left hand side पे आप date of issuing लिख सकते हो. Name of the institution, the word notice, and date, time and venue of the notice may be written in capital letters. Just to highlight, you can write the name of the institution in capital letters, notice word in capital, date, time and venue in the capital letters can be written, so that it should be clear to all the readers who are reading the notice. So these are the important points which you must keep it in mind. Now let's discuss some of the particular topics. What type of value points you have to keep it in mind for those particular topics. Value points to be included in a notice. If you are having a notice about a meeting, date, time, place, agenda. Agenda means किस purpose के लिए meeting की गई है, क्या मुद्दा है उस meeting का. Agenda, purpose, intention or objective, why that meeting is organized, what is to be discussed in that meeting, who to attend, मतलब किस किस को वो meeting attend करनी है, and any additional information if you want to convey. Then contact address, that means whom to contact if any problem is there, if anyone wants to get any clarification, whom to contact, that must be mentioned at the end. Second is for events. If you're writing any notice for the events, name of the organization, objective, occasion, name of organizer, date, time, duration, एक्टिविटीज कि उस इवेंट्स के अंदर कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज आप ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रहे हो, उसका क्या टाइम ड्यूरेशन होगा, when it is to be organized, that means date. Then place means venue, where is it to be organized, who can take part, how to register, and prizes. For the event, who can participate, suppose it is meant for only 9th and 10th, or the activity is meant only for 11th and 12th. So in this way, who can participate, who can take part, how to register, if anyone wants to register, how they can register themselves, whom to contact, any fees there for participation, or directly they can give their name to their class in charges or to the house in charges or to some activity in charge. You can mention the name also. Then what are the prizes for that? You can also mention that. If for that particular activity, first prize will be this much, second prize will be this much, or the third prize will be there, or some consolation prizes will also be there. So you can mention this also. After this, any additional information, if you want to add, that can be added, but be careful for the word limit. According to your examination point, it should be only 50 words, 50 to 60, you should finish it, not more than that. Then if lost and found property, suppose you have lost something or you found something, accordingly the notice can be given. Name of the object or article lost or found, date, time, place, कब मिली आपको, किस टाइम पर मिली, कहाँ पर मिली, that is place. Specific marks for identification, कि आपको कोई चीज़ मिली है, कोई आर्टिकल मिला है तो उसका कोई पर्टिकुलर मार्क, कोई ब्रांड, कोई उसका कलर, कोई उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा हुआ है या कोई लोगो है, कोई स्टैम्प है, किसी तरह का कोई कार्टून बना हुआ है. You want to give some specification for identification. Then contents, suppose you got some bag or some purse what are the things inside, उसके अंदर क्या content से क्या material मिला आपको, कुछ papers मिले या whatever it is, that can be explained. Or if you have lost, you can also mention that these things were there in my bag. Then whom to contact, when and where. For this matter, it can be the object in the school premises or can be outside also. So here you can mention the contact number of the person also, when you can mention some time particular, or where you can mention some place also for meeting that particular person. Clear? Then next is for tours and camps. Suppose your school or the club of your school is going to organize some tour or some camp. For that, what type of notices can be given? Name of the club or association. But if it is on behalf of some school, then the name of the school will come on the top and club name will be given at the end with the designation, or inside the notice you can mention. But if it is some private club, सपोज लॉयंस क्लब, रोटरी क्लब, ऐसी कोई क्लब या कोई एसोसिएशन, वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन है, दे आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सम social camps, some medical camps in this way, then that name of the club can be given. But if it is the club or the association from school side, then on the top name of the school will come. Name of destination, suppose the club is organizing some camp or some other activity outside destination, what is that destination, or some tour is there for that destination कि आपको कहाँ से start करके कहाँ तक जाना है for the tour, and duration from to means from which date to which date. आप suppose 5 days कोई tour arrange कर रहे हो तो you will start from which date and will come back on which date. That means कितने दिन का, 5 दिन का है तो किस डेट से स्टार्ट होकर किस डेट तक आपका टूर जो है वो चलेगा. कोई ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हो आप टूर या कोई पिकनिक, वॉट एवर इट इज. वेन्यू, क्या प्लेस होगी उसकी. ओकेजन, किस ओकेजन पे ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हो. इफ सम पर्टिकुलर ओकेजन इज देयर, यू वांट टू सेलिब्रेट समथिंग अकॉर्डिंगली. Then objective, intention or invitation, what is the purpose of organizing. If it is some historical trip, some historical tour, what is the purpose. You want to make the students learn particular things from that. If you have any chapter regarding that in the book or some subject, the teacher wants you to know about that particular thing. So what is the objective of taking you on that tour? And then inviting the entries. Those who are interested, they can give their names to particular person, some cultural activity in charge or some house in charge or to the class in charge or to the undersigned, whosoever name is given to you in the topic. And accordingly, whatever expenditure is involved, that must be mentioned, that they have to pay how much amount accordingly for the tour if they are going somewhere outside. Additional information if any, but within the word limit. Again, be particular for the word limit. Then contact address should be given, that whom they are to contact if any problem or if any query is there. Now look at the format of a notice. This is the clear format given to you. First, name of the organization, institution issuing notice in capital. In the very first line block given to you, on the right side arrow is given. Then on the left side, date, space for date is given, and date should be written in the expanded form, not in contracted form as we discussed yesterday. That means, suppose you want to write today's date, it should be 16th April, 2021, or April 16, 2021. Don't write with dots or with the slashes or with hyphens. It should not be. Then the word notice should be written in the middle. After that, you can write the heading or the subject should be written here. Don't mention the word here, subject or heading. ये आपको नहीं लिखना है. Simply whatever is the heading or the subject of your notice, accordingly you will make a heading in between, in the middle of the notice body part. Then write the contents of the notice in this space. See the box covering the whole matter. Then at the end, on the left hand side, you will first put the signatures, the name in block letters, and then designation of the person issuing the notice. Clear? I'll once again show you. You can note down, and if you have practice paper, you can copy it down from there. You have to make this format in your assignment first when you will be given topic. First make this format of the notice, then you will write the notice topic which will be given to you in the assignment. Clear? Now see, I'm showing you one sample solved examples. If you have practice paper, you can read from that also. There is one notice given from Lotus International School, Jodhpur. And your school has decided to contribute in controlling traffic near your school and require the names of volunteers from 9th to 12th. So you have to write a notice to be displayed on the notice board asking the names for the volunteers. Please check that first of all, the name of the organization is given, Lotus International School, Jodhpur. Please be particular. Many students leave the name of the city, whatever is given, they only write the name of the school. This is incomplete. You must mention the name of the city also if it is given in that topic. School के बाद comma है, then Jodhpur, and all words are written in the capital letters. Then the word notice is written, then date, see on the left hand side, date word is given, 3rd March 20, then dash is left. You can also leave like this, no problem. Then heading is given, volunteers for controlling traffic. Clear? Then in the content part, the school is facing an acute problem of traffic jams in front of the main gate. It has been decided that school students should be deputed every day. Deputed means they should be given the duties from 8 to 8:30 in the morning to control traffic. The students from classes 10th to 12th are requested to give their names to do this important task to the undersigned. Please note down whenever you write here to the undersigned, the word जरूर लिखना है क्योंकि आप particular कोई person है जिसके बारे में mention कर रहे हो, whose name is given below. The best volunteers awards will be given at the prize distribution of the school. Means जो भी अच्छा काम करेंगे, best volunteers award will be given to them. Clear? Here in this, you can add the date also, that students from classes 10th to 12th are requested to give their names to do this important task to the undersigned by this date. You can mention here date also. Then name is written, class is written, and roll number is mentioned, because when you are having notice from some student side, identification must be mentioned with the class and roll number. You can write the stream here also, +2 or 12th class, commerce, medical, non-medical, whatever stream is there. And in some of the papers, they are missing the signatures. So it does not make any difference. You can do the signatures, then you can write the full name, and then designation can be given. Okay, if you miss the signatures, even then there is no problem, because in some of the new pattern books, they are omitting the signatures now. Then another sample is there, West and Cooperative Group Housing Society, Vasundhara की तरफ से notice है. There is a meeting to be organized. There's a notice requesting the members to attend a meeting of the society to discuss the problems of irregular supply of drinking water to the residents. कि उनकी कॉलोनी में drinking water की supply irregular है. इस प्रॉब्लम को डिस्कस करने के लिए रेजिडेंट्स की एक मीटिंग जो है वो ऑर्गेनाइज की गई है. And the heading is given, meeting of the society. All the members of the society are requested to attend the meeting in Shri Ram Temple Hall. Venue is given on 12th June at 7 p.m. Date is given, time is given. Why? What is the purpose? To discuss the problem of irregular supply of drinking water to the residents. That problem has become very acute in these hot summer days. The worthy members are requested to give their views to resolve the issue of the drinking water. Then name and designation. Secretary is given, because the meeting is invitation is given by the secretary of the West End Cooperative Group Housing Society. Clear? So in this way, you are given these two samples. I'll send you the PDF. You can go through if you don't have the practice paper with you. Okay. Now, we are left with 1.5 minutes. If you have any problem, you can ask your problems.